Wobbly wheels,
You're just jealous, James.
puffy pistons. You shouldn't have collected, Mr. Conductor. I should have.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets.
All that strength is gone to your smoke box.
Hey, there they are.
We'll fix their wagons.
I'm not good at backing up.
Me neither.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What rubbish!
What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we'd better find her first.
Follow the leader! We get no rest!
Little engines can do big things too, especially if they're really useful like the rest of you.
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball.
When Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past you.
Right.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello.
The boss dumps sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, Brutes. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now.
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel 10's doing. Shoo!
Dear Mr. Conductor, where were you? My wife said she couldn't miss our little holiday. We'll telephone to make sure you have arrived. Signed, Sir Topham Hatt. Where were you?
Oh, good afternoon, sir. A real honor, sir, like my family before me. And how is Lady Hatt? Yes. Watch out for Diesel, definitely. Keep an eye on Henry's health, certainly. Yes, sir, the 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic. I mean, I will be responsible, reliable, and really useful. Yes, sir. We will all get a good night's sleep. Looking forward to a hard day tomorrow. Goodbye, sir.
Old MacDiesel had a plan.
Another fellow diesel. Wonder what he's
in this plane
this is
zapping steam.
What a psychopath.
Oh, a pinch pinch here and a pinch pinch there. You're a pinch there, a pinch there. Oh, I cracked myself up.